ano bang meron sa Supreme Wealth Alliance? Okay, so we have the ultimate products. Okay, bakit siya ultimate? Kasi yung products natin is electronic siya. Okay, these are e-books. Yan, so yung mga e-books na yan, nakakompile lahat sa Supreme Wealth Library. Okay, so yung Supreme Wealth Library natin, ibig sabihin, compilation ito ng mga sikreto ng mayayaman. Okay, pwede mo siyang magamit kung ano mang ginagawa mo ngayon. Kung gusto mo ng personal development, pwede mong gamitin yung e-book sa Supreme Wealth Library. Or kung gusto mo ng ideas kung paano mo ipopromote yung business mo, pwede mong gamitin yung e-books din sa loob ng library. Okay? Ano pa bang ibang products ang nakapaloob sa library natin? So meron tayong e-books, meron tayong videos and audios. Okay? So nag-login ako sa website natin, tapos nakita ko yung Supreme Wealth Library. So meron tayong more than 350 na products doon sa loob. Okay, downloadable yun siya. Okay, pwede mong magamit. Now, to give you a simple idea or just a sneak peek of those products, okay, kung ano ba yung nasa loob ng Supreme Wealth Library natin, nakapaloob doon are some of the popular e-books worldwide, no? Kagaya ng The Master Key System, Think and Grow Rich, no? At iba pa. So, these are some of those e-books, no? Marami pa sa loob. And then, meron din tayong social network marketing. Paano mo ba i-promote ng tama yung business mo sa mga social networking sites, kagaya ng Facebook, okay, kagaya ng Twitter, okay? And paano ka ba mag-create ng fan page na napaka-effective? Okay, ano ba yung mga sikreto doon? Okay, so ilan lamang ito sa mga e-books na nakapaloob sa library natin. At hindi lang yan, ituturuan ka rin kung paano mo gagamitin yung internet, again, para i-promote mo yung business mo. Okay, so I'm telling you right now that this is not a conflict on what you are doing. Okay, kung affiliated ka sa isang company ngayon, for example, AIM Global, Uno, V-Mobile, or any kind of company, this is not a competition. Actually, this will help you para ma-boost mo yung business mo ngayon. Okay? So, step by step mong matututunan kung paano mo siya i-market. Okay? And then, hindi lang about sa business side yung andun sa library natin. Meron din tayong mga products related doon sa health and beauty. Okay, so kung makikita mo sa right side, meron tayong 6-pack abs. Paano ba magkaroon ng 6-pack abs? Paano ba mag-quit ng smoking? Paano mo ba ma-treat yung depression? Okay, kung may hobby ka na cooking, okay, pwede mong pag-aralan mga e-books na to about cooking. At andito rin yung sikat na book, which is The Law of Attraction. Okay, so included siya doon sa library natin. Kung ikaw yung tipo na mahilig sa mga pictures or meron kang DSLR, gusto mo maging photographer, so you can learn the basics of photography. Okay, doon sa library natin. Okay, so these are some of our products. Okay, napakarami pa. So iba't ibang klase. Okay, all about personal development, all about marketing your business. Okay, so let's continue, and hindi ko na masyadong expand yung about sa products natin kasi ma-access mo naman dun sa Supreme Wealth Library. Okay, yung mga listahan ng mga e-books natin. Okay, so aside from that, pwede ka magkaroon ng full access dun sa Supreme Wealth Library natin. Okay, so paano ka ba magkakaroon ng full access? So before I answer that, dapat malaman mo muna kung magkano ba yung value ng library natin. Okay, yung value niya is $1,500 to $2,000. Okay? But I'm telling you right now, hindi yan ang amount na babayaran mo to have a full access kasi napakalaking pera niyan. Okay? So you only have to pay, no, a one-time payment of $55. Okay, this is one-time payment, walang monthly renewal, walang yearly renewal. Okay? $55 or 2,500 pesos. Okay? So, magkakaroon ka na ng full access doon sa Supreme Wealth Library. Okay? So, napakasulit. No? Napaka-cheap ng investment or payment mo. Pero napakasulit. Kasi, yung matatanggap mo is more than sa binayad mo. Okay? So, aside from that, since ma-access mo yung Supreme Wealth Library, so pwede mong mabenta yung mga e-books na nakapaloob sa library natin because you will have the resale rights. Okay? Pwede mong ibenta from $1 to $20 each. Okay? Pero this is only optional. Okay? Hindi ka obliged na ibenta yung mga e-books na yan. Pwede mo siyang gamitin for personal use. Okay? For personal development. Basahin mo and then i-apply mo. Pwede mo ring i-share doon sa mga business partners mo or doon sa family mo. Okay? Now, it's up to you. Yung pagbebenta ng e-books is optional lang.